In this tutorial we are going to practically learn about the different operators, logical operators. Okay, so here you have the OR operator and the AND operator. So in the OR operator and in the AND operator, so you can take it as product, this sum, and AND is a product. Okay, so you can take the false values as 0 and the true values as 1. Okay, so if you consider this as 0 and this as 0, so 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, so that's true. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so you can take the false values as 0 and the true values as 1 and or as plus, so you can get this output. And in the AND operator you can get the outputs by putting, instead of AND you can take it as into. So 0 into 0 is equal to 0, 0 into 1 is equal to 0, 1 into 0 is equal to 0, and 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so in this way you can get the outputs. So here you have to remember, in OR, if any one of the condition is true, then the output is true, and in AND operator, if both the conditions are true, then only the output is true. Okay, so this is based on conditions, and this, the side one, this truth table is mainly of if values are given. So if both the values are given as false, then the second value in OR. If both the values, if one of the values is given as true, means the second value, then the true value will be the output, and here also the true value is the output, and in the last one, when both the values are true, then the first value is the output. And in this AND operator, if both the values are false, then the first one. If both the values, if one of the values, that is the second value, is true, then the first value, means the first false value, and if the false value is the second value, then the output is the second value. And at last, as you can see, if both the values are true, then the second value. Okay, so let's take a condition like 10 is greater than 9 and 10 greater than 11. Okay, since one of the condition is false, so therefore the output is false. And if I put, instead of this AND, I put OR, then the output is true, because one of the condition is true, therefore it's giving the output as true. So instead of this AND, you can also use the OR symbol, the bitwise OR symbol, that is parallel symbol, this only one parallel symbol. Okay, and you can press the enter, and for AND you can use the AND symbol, that is this. Okay, single AND symbol, and you will get this false. Now next, if I give the value, like suppose I am giving here A and then OR blank, blank means the false value. Okay, so it's giving the output as A, and instead of this OR, if I write here AND, then it will give the false value, that is the blank one. Okay, and if both the values are true, then in AND, suppose if both the values are true, then it will give the first value, and if in AND, if I give both the values, then it gives the second value. Okay, then next, NOT. So what is the use of this NOT operator? It will negate. Okay, so negate means reverses the result. So here, as you can see, if I write here NOT 10 greater than 5 or 4, then it's giving false, because this condition is true, so it's negating means giving the opposite. And if I give some value here instead of this condition, suppose if I give here blank value, then it's giving true because this is a blank value, means a false value, so therefore it's giving true. And if I give some value like a, then it will return as false. Okay, so that much for this tutorial. So you can predict the output after this practical tutorial. Okay, thank you.